Here's a quick tutorial to show you exactly how it is that I made these flowers. So you can see I'm taking the shorter part of the paper, that's the inside paper that's easy and flexible, and cutting through near to the edge. It's really not that close to the edge, and you can do this pretty quickly. I've got my video speeded up so it doesn't take so long to make the flower. Now that it's done, I'm going to fold it back open and then fold it over so that it has a little bit of poof to it. So you can see it's got a little bit of fluffiness to it. Make sure that it's all glued down. And then the next thing I'm going to do is roll over the top just a little bit to get me started so that I don't burn myself with the glue. And then I'll start rolling it down. And once you get to a certain point, you can just glue all the way down and roll it up. And it's important to do this one first so that the glue doesn't get hard. So go ahead and do the center all the way across, and then it can sit and wait while you do the second half. Now I'm going to cut through in the same way that I did before. Just be careful not to cut all the way through. And that you can see a little bit of white at the bottom once I open this up. I'm going to put that on the inside so it doesn't show. So when you're picking out newspaper pieces or articles, it's okay if it's got a little bit of white at the bottom or if it's got text at the very bottom, because that won't show. In picking these out, I tried to pick out pictures that had as little text in them as possible. And there's the white part. So now I'm going to glue across the white part and then roll that center over the top of it. And then finishing it up is just as easy as this. Once you've got it all the way rolled up, you want to be a little careful with it until that hot glue dries. So you can see I'm holding the base right now as it cools and dries. And there you have it. There's your paper flower.